is Rina's Cocoon. Hope you and your little one are safe and great at your place. I welcome you all for the day 12 English online reading class, and today's topic is how to join vowel U along with all these consonants. Here we have vowel A, E, I, O and U. I have written all the vowels in a different colors to differentiate the sounds between the vowels. This will help our child to easy to identify the sound, as well as this also will help them to remember the vowels forever. And these are the consonants. Consonants are B, K, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, B. Bite your lower lip and say B. Here you don't need to bite your lower lip. W, W, Ts, Ts, Y, Z, Z. Now these are the sounds of vowel. Vowel A, it's A. E, the sound of E is A. Sound of I, it is E. And sound of O, it is O. And the sound of U, that's A. Umbrella. And now, how to join this U along with all the consonants? I'm going to use the same blue color for writing vowel U. And here you have vowel U, the sound of U, it is A. And the consonant B. And sound of B is B. When you join letter A, U and B together, vowel U, A, B. Ask your child to say separately first A, then B. And ask your child to say little faster. A, B, 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 ab. Together, when the sound joins together, the sound is ab, ab. Now here, a, k, a, k, a, k, a, k, a, k, a, k, a, k. This is how you can make your child join the vowel as well as consonants together. I'll show you another example. Here you have U. The sound is A, D, 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 A, ad. Clear? Now you have A, F, A, F, A, F, A, F. A and G, A, G, A, G, A, G, A, G, Ag. A, H, A, H, A, H, A, H. Initially, your child may feel difficult to understand the concept, but if you give practice, they'll slowly understand the concept of blending the sounds together. Now, A, J, A, J. Now ask them to say a little faster. A, J, A, J, A, J, A, J, A, J. Here, A, K, A, K, A, K, A, K, A, K, A. A, L, Al. A, M, A, M, A, M, A, M, An. A, P, A, P, A, P, up. A, K, Ak. Here when you join along with R, A, R. Here the sound of R is very, very silent. Like A, R, R. A, S, A, S, As. A, T, A, T, At. ow, ow. Ups, ups. You, you. I. When you make a sound of three-letter words like buy, there we use this sound, I. Now, z, az, az. If you ask me how long you should give the practice to your child, the concept of joining vowel along with the consonant, I would like to say that till your child is thorough by joining the sounds together. That means when you are writing a vowel and a consonant together, your child should be in a position to read it together by joining the sounds like us, up, ug, ub, like that. Now the next level is introduction of sight words. Once your child is thorough by joining the sounds, the vowels along with the consonant, you can introduce sight words. That too, 2-letter as well as 3-letter sight words. I'll see you all soon in my next class with the list of sight words which you are supposed to introduce to your child, and also how to teach them to read the sight words. Till that, take care. Bye bye.